Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai. We're out on the water. We've got a limited supply because there's a chance of rain. There's a little bit of a storm. I kind of came through that. We're on the cutting edge of it, so hopefully it doesn't hit us, but if it does, and also keep me from jumping to chatterbaits too quick, I just brought out one box, our topwater box. So we're going to start hitting topwater and see what we can catch. So that sun's getting ready to come up. It's got a little bit of clouds and stuff stopping it. There goes a plane. So buckle up, hang on, let's catch some topwater fish before we go to regular chatterbait, rattle trap, and jabberjaw, or square bills in general. So yeah, see the difference? It's kind of darker up to the north, and to our west coming east is a kind of a storm front, but like we're right on the bottom of it. So I think it's gonna miss us. I got my raincoat too, just in case it doesn't. But then we will fully load up, right? Buckle up, hang on, you guys are going on the chesty so you won't miss any of the topwater hits, right? You don't want to miss any of that action. Stuff's on the move today, I can tell you that. I know for a first-hand fact. This little bait, there's definitely a rhythm to get into where it kind of walks. Just, oh, I missed that fish. No, I didn't. It's just coming at me. Back the boat up. There's just something about this bait. They can't resist that. Definitely feels like I almost have it on too light of a rod. Oh, we got that poor dude hooked weird. Come here. Get your mouth open. All right, there we have it. First bass is a good one. Whee! And a jumper. To the heaviest, it just goes, ooh. So you misjudge your distance like every cast. There we go. That thing's swimming like a shark. Keep the boat turned. Okay, maybe that's a white day. Don't come off. Oh, that is a football. That thing is as big around as he is long. That's what it looks like. I should probably throw this on my white rod just because it's heavy enough, and in case something big hits it. I felt, oh, that is his lip even feels fat. I mean, if you guys know what I'm talking about, but his lip feels twice as thick. This feels like all this crazy. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot pliers. I always do that when I come minimalistic. That fish, hang on. I think I need a pick of this fish and this bait. I just wanted to show you guys. I don't know if you can make it out. This meat of his right there feels thicker. This fish, look how fat that fish, his tail. Look, it's silly me. We can't weigh this fish. I didn't have the scales. I didn't bring it. Minimalistic, right? But I'm telling you, that is probably a 2-pound bass, and it's not that big. So let's see if it'll jump though. Nope. All right, let's go. I'm gonna switch this bait. I felt right off the bat, as soon as I set that hook, I felt outgunned. But that was a little fat butterball pulling hard. I'm not worried about that size fish, but if I hook a giant, I know, biggest fish on the littlest rod possible, but I feel a lot better if it's on this rod. And it's so heavy. What's weird is it feels almost as heavy as that thing. Okay, let's just try a shot off the, whatchamacallit. Well, I missed that opportunity. I had a little bitty old fish running with that. I don't know if you guys witnessed all that. There was a little something, grabbed that and running right towards me. Better at that first initial when it hits the water and you're letting it just set or going slower. Got a fish first. It just hit the water. It wouldn't have mattered what bait you threw over there. It hit the water and never came back up. That little dude, you saw him. That little dude was on it. That's what you call landing right on their head. He didn't take no time to, he's just doink on that bait. All right, come on, let's go. That's gonna hit right where that splash was, close to it. There, he got it. That's a bigger fish, I think. I wasn't even looking at it. Oh, that is not a bigger fish. I was looking down at the depth finder, heard it and felt it in the rod before I even turned my head. Oh boy. Dude, you hit hard. That's another fatty. It's not quite as fat as that other one, but close. Smaller fish overall too, but I didn't think I would like these hooks, but they seem too bright, too shiny to get hit, but they hit them and they stick them, so. You guys know the deal. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Nice fat chunk, another one. Topwater video, topwater game, going good so far. I hate to put this bait down, but I'm tempted to. There's another one. Oh, he's gonna have to be a skeeter. Come on in, I need another cat. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at you. You are so talented, you little devil. Chris, you know, had asked me a while back, why do you Yankees ski them in? It's like, well, for one, we can. But no, the littler ones, it's like, I don't know, just get them in and get back out there, a chance of catching a bigger one. When it gets to summertime, it's kind of like that game on, because there could be some giants. It's really year round, but. All right, that's a wrap. I could not get a showstopper. I went all through this section right here. Not one bite. I could probably go back down the dam, pull one more off, but I'm not gonna mess with it. This show, it's over. So I'm not leaving. It's only 8 a.m. Stay tuned for the this is the top water. Stay tuned for the regular, like chatterbaits, rattle traps, square bills, probably the jabberjaw mainly. So hopefully you like this video. We just got out there and we did catch some on our new bait that just shows you that it does work. I'm gonna add feathers to the back of it, but it's legit, right? So far, all of those AliExpress topwater baits seem to work. That big one, this one, I think it's just the colors are too intense and not quite there. So I'm gonna basically sand this thing down, try to get it more white on bottom and most of the sides, maybe leave just a little bit of that top color. I think it'll be a better bait. Love the action, don't like the color. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Bass Bonsai if you haven't, but whatever you do, get out and have fun doing it. I'll see you later. Gotta go. Right? We gotta get on a chatterbait fish. I haven't even had a hit. Getting gun shy. Oh, there was a good thunk. Come on. I wonder if our color's still a little bit off. Oh, there. That dude totally killed it. That is a little bitty dude. Well, he got bigger. Nice chunk. Finally, a chatterbait fish, right? Whee! Took you long enough, dude. All right, let's go. All right. That's what I was thinking. I mean, if all white would work, this one should. That thing just, all of a sudden, nothing. So, slacked it up big time. There's some kind of grass under this surface that it's not everywhere. You can see it get on the blades. I gotta throw it anywhere. It's almost like you gotta throw it like that. Keep the rod tip up. Stay back. Oh, that's a good one. About that same size. I was going to say, it's like you got to keep that rod tip up. Start cranking. Awesome fish. Wow. What's on him right here? Got right off the bat. This thing hardly hit the water. He wanted it. Don't give him time to spit it. You didn't know what hit you, did you, little dude? All right, well, our brand new bait, first few casts. Catches one. Bass and Bonsai, that's a wrap. This show sucks. The bite sucks.